Okay.
Second and 10 from the 11.
Okay.
Derek James back with Manning. Wide out to the left. One of those guards starts in motion.
Okay.
Inside fake.
Do you
Rolling
really
right,
think
Manning
that thing's
open,
going to
throws
work?
Touchdown!
Touchdown!
Fake
Touchdown!
to Hedger James. Wide open was Dilger. Manning on the short pass. It's 6-0.
I love you, touchdown monkey.
A very important
Ooh,
extra point.
it's time for extra point, monkey.
Vandertat puts it up. It is good.